Welcome to Dulcet Motives, where we turn simple ideas into real progress. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your first $1,000, even if you're starting from zero. Step 1. Identify a skill you already have. You don't need to be an expert, just useful. Maybe you can edit videos, design posters, write content, bake, tutor, or fix small tech issues. Pick one skill you can offer today. Step 2. Create a simple offer. Turn that skill into something people can buy. For example, I will edit a short video for $20, or I will design a logo for $30, or 1 hour of tutoring for $25. Keep it simple, keep it clear. Step 3. Go where the demand is. Join platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Facebook Marketplace, local community groups, or even WhatsApp status. Tell people exactly how you can help, and show a small sample of your work. Remember, you don't need everyone. You just need your first few customers. Step 4. Deliver amazing results. Your first clients are your foundation. Give them more than they expect. Fast delivery, friendly communication, and good quality. Happy customers bring reviews, and reviews bring more income. Step 5. Multiply what works. If one service brings you $100, then repeat it 10 times to hit $1,000. If you learn what's working, double down on it. Increase your speed, improve your offer, raise your price as you gain confidence. Step 6. Stay consistent. The first $1,000 is not about luck. It's about showing up every day, learning, trying, improving, and refusing to quit. Remember this, your first 1,000 is proof. Proof that you can do it, proof that your skills matter, and proof that you're capable of much more. Thank you for watching Dulcet Motives. If this helped you, follow for more ideas that inspire calm, clarity, and success. Your journey starts now.